Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to add a service charge on Square. You're gonna create a service charge by signing into your Square dashboard, going to settings, account settings, and business information. After that, service charges, and click create service charge. Now you're gonna name your charge, choose a percentage or fixed price, enter the amount, select the location, and add any applicable taxes, and then click save. After that, you're gonna apply for the service charge. During checkout, tap on the service charges title in the item grid. If the service charge is variable, you're gonna manually enter the percentage or dollar amount. Now you're gonna configure the service charge settings and then tap charge. For Square for restaurants, you're gonna do almost the same thing. Go to settings, account and settings, business information, service charges, create service charge, name your charge, choose a percentage base or fixed price, enter amount, and then click save. You're gonna manually apply for the service charge. Once you've created service charge, you can manually apply it on transactions in your Square point of sale POS app. Important to know that service charges are not applicable to debit cards, prepaid cards, or afterpay transactions. Surcharging is not permitted on credit cards and is subject to local laws and regulations. Also, for Square appointments, it's not currently possible to add a service charge percentage or dollar amount directly. You can either add fixed rates or manually calculate the percentages and add it each time. So yeah, that is